Greetings from Formby Beach in Liverpool. Yep, that's right. It is 15th of October, 5:30 p.m. and I'm exploring this magnificent and breathtaking beach with beautiful sand dunes, as you have seen at the beginning of the video. Wow, I just can't believe that there are sand dunes in the United Kingdom, as I have witnessed some nice sand dunes in Spain, especially Maspalomas on Gran Canaria, but this looks just amazing. And the tide is low, in contradictory to the song from Atomic Kitten, the tide is high. So we're gonna take a swim, as I have taken the metro line from Liverpool Central Station to Formby, the train line that goes to Southport. I actually wanted to go also to Southport, but we're gonna see if I'm gonna make it also to Southport in time before sunset. So I'm just walking here, and I had a very unpleasant experience 2 days ago on Friday on Crosby Beach. Check out that video as well, where I fell with my shoes and my pants in quicksand. So that was unexpected and a very unpleasant event. So I was basically then walking home with my feet wet to the hostel where I was staying, and I was cleaning the shoes with paper towels actually. So yeah, that was, but now the shoes are fine, they're dry, so don't worry. So but I was walking along this sand now barefoot because of the experience I had 2 days ago. And I really wonder, look at this beach. I have been walking now for 1 kilometer maybe or more from the sand dunes, and I'm not sure if there is water over here usually when the tide is high, but I had the same experience on the other side of Liverpool, in West Kirby and Moles, is it called, where basically there was no water in the distance. I couldn't see any water. Here I can see, so it's at least 1 kilometer from the beach. And yep, beach adventure in Liverpool in October. How crazy is that, right? And yes, this is obviously the Irish Sea, so this is good and clean to take a swim in. It's far from the River Mersey, which was with brownish water. So okay, now my stuff are so far away, but I think I have good look at them. And hopefully there will be some depth here very soon, so I don't need to walk too much in order to take a swim. But yes, I'm in Liverpool for a weekend trip, and it has been amazing with lots of sightseeing. The weather was great. It was raining a bit the first day, but after that it was sunny, and the temperatures of between 10 to 13 degrees Celsius. Now it's 10 degrees Celsius. It's not that cold actually, because I'm coming from Sweden. For me this is like normal temperature for this period of the year. And I have been swimming also in Sweden at this type of water temperatures. It was around 14 degrees in Sweden before I came here. The same is here also, as I saw on the web. But here I think I need to be careful, because the water here is a bit muddy, and so I don't so I need to be careful so I don't end up stuck here. So take a look at the water. Oh my god, it's so muddy, I can't describe the feeling. So hopefully I won't die today, otherwise you would have been my witness as the video will stay on this GoPro. Oh my god, shall I just dive in here, because I don't think it's getting any deeper over there. Oh my god. This is, yeah, I guess this will be the last beach adventure from Liverpool. I guess it's the same situation on Southport, which is just 3 kilometers away on that coast. But I can visit it anyway, since I have the ticket, the day saver ticket with the metro. Okay, I questioned my life choices also once again. I thought this was gonna be better, because I did the same think like this, but it was on the D River in on a beach south of West Kirby. If you've seen that episode. Okay, the water looks disgusting, believe me. But it's basically from the mud, so I hope it's that, the mud pollution. So, oh well. I thought it would have been nice and pleasant with a swim here, but I don't think it will get any deeper if I walk even more. So let me just take a super quick dip here in order to get this beach adventure done. But I'm gonna regret this probably, and hopefully I won't get any disease from this water. And actually, I was reading at the World Museum that the water here, it's filled with natural creatures, so I guess it's good for them also. All right. I think there was a fish. There was a fish or something. Oh my god. Or a crab, I don't know. Okay. We are going for a super quick dip, so bear with me. We are going down in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Oh my god. That was disgusting. Okay, let's go out, because I think there are some creatures in the water that I can't see because it is super muddy. So now I have mud on me, so hooray! So thanks a lot for watching this interesting episode, I would say, from Formby Beach in Liverpool. And yeah, so do not come here to take a swim, just take a walk at the beach, because the water looks suspicious. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!